Welcome to the IT Jobs series. Today we're exploring the career of a quality assurance engineer. Quality assurance engineers, often called QA engineers, are professionals who specialize in software testing. They ensure that software applications work correctly, meet user expectations, and are free of bugs before reaching the public. This role combines technical skills with attention to detail and problem-solving abilities. Whether through manual testing or automated scripts, QA engineers play a critical role in delivering high-quality software products. Quality assurance engineers have multiple key responsibilities. First, they test applications by running various scenarios to identify bugs, crashes, and performance issues before the software reaches users. Second, they ensure quality by verifying that the software meets specifications and fulfills user expectations. Third, they automate testing by writing scripts and tools to run repetitive tests efficiently, saving time and reducing human error. Finally, they document issues comprehensively, creating detailed bug reports with information that developers need to fix problems. Together, these tasks ensure software reliability and user satisfaction. There are two main approaches to software testing. Manual testing involves human testers who perform tests by hand. This approach is excellent for evaluating user experience and allows for flexible, exploratory testing. However, manual testing can be time-consuming when performing repetitive tasks. Automated testing, on the other hand, uses scripts and tools to run tests automatically. This approach is fast, efficient, and provides consistent, repeatable results. Automated testing is particularly valuable for regression testing, which means retesting software after changes. Most professional QA teams use both approaches together, leveraging the strengths of each. QA engineers use different testing approaches based on project needs. Unit testing focuses on individual functions or methods in isolation, testing small pieces of code independently. Popular tools for unit testing include JUnit for Java, pytest for Python, and Jest for JavaScript. Integration testing examines how different components work together as a system. Tools like TestNG, Selenium, and Postman are commonly used for integration testing. End-to-end testing validates complete user workflows across the entire application. Tools such as Cypress, Playwright, and WebDriver are popular for end-to-end testing. Each testing type serves a specific purpose in ensuring overall software quality. Successful QA engineers need both technical and soft skills. On the technical side, they should know programming languages like Python, Java, or C#. Understanding SQL and database testing is important for backend testing. Familiarity with test automation frameworks and version control systems like Git is essential. Beyond technical skills, QA engineers need strong soft skills. Attention to detail is critical for catching subtle bugs. A problem-solving mindset helps them approach testing challenges creatively. Excellent communication and documentation skills enable them to clearly report issues to developers. Finally, good time management and collaboration skills help them work effectively within development teams. A QA career offers clear progression opportunities. Most people start as junior QA engineers, handling entry-level testing and basic automation tasks, earning between 3 to 5 lakh rupees per annum. With experience, they advance to QA engineer positions, taking on advanced testing responsibilities and developing their own test frameworks, earning 6 to 10 lakh rupees annually. Senior QA engineers lead teams and contribute to quality strategy decisions, earning 11 to 18 lakh rupees per year. At the top, QA managers oversee entire departments, plan quality initiatives, and manage budgets, earning 18 to 30 lakh rupees or more annually. This career path shows how QA professionals can grow their skills and compensation significantly. The QA industry has many powerful tools available. Selenium is widely used for web application automation across multiple browsers. Cypress is a modern JavaScript-based tool that enables fast and reliable end-to-end testing. Pytest is a Python framework ideal for unit and integration testing. Appium specializes in mobile application automation for both iOS and Android platforms. Apache JMeter is essential for performance and load testing, helping identify how applications behave under stress. Postman is a popular tool for testing REST and GraphQL APIs. Learning these tools is valuable because they are industry standards used by companies worldwide. Understanding how bugs flow through a system is important. The lifecycle begins when a QA engineer discovers a bug and reports it. Next, the bug is assigned to a developer who will work on fixing it. Once the developer completes their work, the bug status changes to fixed. At this point, the QA engineer verifies that the fix actually resolves the problem by retesting the functionality. If successful, the bug is closed and documented. This systematic approach ensures that no bugs slip through unnoticed and that fixes are properly validated before release. If you're interested in becoming a QA engineer, here's how to start. First, learn the basics of manual testing, including test case creation and bug reporting methodology. Study different testing approaches and understand quality assurance principles. Second, build practical skills by learning a programming language that aligns with your goals. Practice using automation frameworks and tools. Create a portfolio of testing projects to showcase your abilities. Stay updated with new testing tools and industry trends. Remember, QA is a hands-on field, so practical experience is just as important as theoretical knowledge. Start with manual testing, gradually move into automation, and continuously improve your technical abilities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.